Hello student. Okay, today we'll discuss leakages versus injection. So this is okay. Leakages versus injection. Both the thing we'll discuss one by one. So look, leak injection. This is in your macroeconomic. Injection means injection are addition to the circular flow income. They increase the size of circular flow. They lead to expansion in the production process in an economy. Injection are injection are addition to the circular flow of income. Injection are addition to the circular flow of income, to the circular flow of income, additional. So here the injections are like investment. Injection are like number one, investment. Number two, export. Export. Number three, government purchase. Government purchase. These are the injection. Means it will circular flow of income, from the income through investment, through export or government purchase. Money will come in circular flow. Then we'll discuss regarding the second part, that is your leakage. That is a leakage. See student, leakages are withdrawal from a circular flow of income. Okay, injection means we are just addition to the circular flow of income, but leakages are withdrawal from a circular flow of income. It reduces the sizes of circular flow. It leads to contraction in the production process in an economy. Contraction are like just see, contraction are like number one point, it will withdraw from the income, so it will like savings. Number two, taxes. Number three, imports. These are the leakages. Okay, so now you just look the leakages and injections generated identity. What leakages injection injection denote identity. Okay, so you look the, or this is the formula. Suppose here S plus T plus M identity means I plus G plus X in a four sector economy. In a four sector economy. Okay, four sector economy. So here student, S means savings. T means taxes, and I means imports. Okay, I means imports. Then this is identity. Okay, opposite side, I means investment. G means government. And X means export. So this is the difference between the leakages and injection from your macroeconomics. Okay, this is for today. We will stop now. Okay, thank you.